Namaste dosto, Jai Shri Ram. This is Rohit from Kismet Connection. I'm a Vastu, Astro Vastu, Numerology, Mobile Numerology, as well as switch words, visiting cards, and logo design consultant. Today, I'm going to talk about the Vastu visit report that I give whenever I visit client site or offline or online. So here, client's information, the client's problem, uh, type of house, floor, living scenes, problem started scenes, other information surrounding area notes, what are the problems the client is facing or anyone in the family is facing, locations of the entrances, toilets, kitchen goes in here, drainage location, underground water tank, overhead water tank. So here you can see that some places you may have multiple drainage location, which zone, so which direction, strength of that direction, affecting is there this particular drainage is affecting or creating the problems. Management means what sort of solution to provide when it's completed and the date. So similarly, any other observations such as sewage line, garbage point, etc. Room locations and activity. So here it goes like, for example, drawing room, which direction, W and W, zonal power, extended effect, okay, exhaust with the blue strip on the skirting. So it's giving the effect, corrected yes, the date. Then here comes the objects and its placement. So TV is in northwest zone, zonal power balance. Does it have an effect? No. Management required? No. So it's not applicable. Computer northwest balance, none. Not applicable, not applicable. Then the mirror in northwest balance, health and opportunity related problem. This creates because mirror in northwest is not allowed. So what sort of solution to provide? So similarly, the list goes on. Then this is the floor plan with the grid and the chakra. Like this gives the enough information about the location of the each of the room, which directions and all that. Again, this is if the person has the second floor or the office or whatnot. Zonal observations. So there are 16 zones and information we collect here. Then this is the additional information where we measure the strength of the each of the zone directions. So, and there are five elements: water, air, fire, earth, and space element, and their total energy level is measured here. So, in this example, air is low, earth is very, very low, and earth is element is very important. Similarly, this is the second floor plan energy, the bar chart. Again, all the directions, 16 directions, the five elements, and their strength in this bar chart. Numerology related calculation of the main client. Then the Vastu checks if any specific person is having challenges after doing the Vastu. Then we do the Vastu checks, Vastu working. Just information about Kismet Connection and the basics about what is Vastu and all that. Uh, this is our Vastu consultations, home office, restaurants, etc. And checklist of the Vastu audit. So these are the information we check. These are the testimonials of some of our clients. And this is the numerology consultation. If somebody wants to have the numerology consultations, uh, this is the old package value, so it may varies as per the time. Thank you very much, friends. Any questions, please do get in touch with us. Thank you very much.